In this video, I'm going to talk about very clear where the market is heading because Fed is going to cut the rates very soon and what's going to happen to the market and where the market can take us and what can you really expect from this market. So if you are investing for the short term or for the swing trade, be very careful and watch these areas because when the Fed will come out and of course and the inflation reports will come out in just one day and that will be a disaster. The market can really flush down. If you count on S&P 500, it can come down to 525 points, and that means Nvidia or Meta, of course, all these kind of stocks, they will just keep flushing down. So let's go to Nvidia here. I want to show you something really interesting on Nvidia here. Nvidia right now trading at $110, right? So it can really come down even to $103. Keep this in mind, bear this in mind. The stock has no problem. The stock is absolutely fantastic, but the only problem is the market is getting rigged. This you got to keep in your head. The market is getting rigged, and in this rigged market, of course, you got to be really careful and how you really approach the market. And all what you see here, this back-to-back green days on an uptrend, of course, this is beautiful. But if it just flushes down, of course, then we have to really get in concern. That is $103 on Nvidia, or S&P 500 losing like 10 points in one single day. So if it does, what will be your take? You can let me know in the comments below. But again, don't go heavy on margin, don't go heavy on like leverage and all, just to have more losses and all for unnecessary reason. So and for this GME and AMC watchers and all, look at this. GME is absolutely starting again the downtrend, which is nasty. This is on a daily chart. It's starting a nasty downtrend. So I thought, of course, this was gone on an uptrend, but already this broke that uptrend level, which started the downtrend. But if honestly, if this is a confirmation today, we are again heading down to $20 on $19 level, and that will be really nasty. But again, this is not just to give you wrong information. I'm just telling this. This is just the technical analysis. Of course, I don't want to give you something crazy, MACD or 200-day moving average, 50-day moving average, these kind of technical analysis. I'm just telling you where the stock is heading and what we can expect. If I make this video in details, it'll go bigger, longer, and longer. So if you want to trade with us, you can come down in the group, come to the group. The link is down in the description below, and you can trade with us. So look at this. Like yesterday, one of this member, he achieved $59,000 in one single day. That is amazing. $59,000 in one single day. Even you can do this. So of course you can do. Guys are coming, they're trading, and they're making their profit. Of course, you get to keep all the profit. No one wants your money. Again, this is not a financial advice, this video. It's only for educational purpose only. So coming back to GME, I think it started downtrend. This is the small confirmation I want to give you. But again, after the market get closed, we'll get another kind of confirmation. We'll have a different scenario. But let's go back to S&P 500. So what I'm expecting exactly on S&P 500 here. I'm expecting here on consolidation or a pullback probably today for 527 points if it's possible, because the fear in the market is again growing, and that's what we don't want, that, right? We don't want that fear to get installed in the market. If it gets installed, of course, the market will get flushed down again till the Fed will just come out and just cut down the rates, probably 0.5 basis point or 0.25 basis point. Depends on the scenario, depends on the reports and everything. So Nvidia, in the end, all the Nvidia holders, this is good. Of course, this is going on a bullish trend, but again, if it breaks down below this after the market opens or even just before the market closes, this will be really nasty. But I think so this might go on a consolidation, honestly, because we had too much of flush down in Nvidia, in entire overall stocks, entire market, and it's not really healthy. So is it a time to buy, or is it a time to sell, or is it a time to wait? For me, honestly, if I have pure cash, I would honestly buy. So if I was you, of course, I would buy Nvidia on a pure cash, but not on a leverage basis, not on a margin basis, unless until the market really gets clean and clear. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and probably see you in the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, so it encourages me to make more and more videos for you guys. So the last take on AMC. AMC is going on absolute consolidation, has not such a massive update. I don't have, because it's absolutely running on a consolidation. So we'll wait, and of course we'll wait for AMC really to cross at $5.60. Once it crosses that and makes that as a support, that will be nice and good news. So come down to the group, and the link is down in the description below. You can come down and trade with us and watch how we are approaching the market, and maybe you can learn, and maybe you can make profit with us. The results are not typical to everyone, but it depends on the account sizes and on your mentality. So thank you so much for watching, and probably see you in the next video.